Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, we are doing yet another Alibaba. I was about to say AliExpress. They sound the same. So we are doing yet another Alibaba.com video because you guys know I'm shopping on Alibaba.com literally every week. As a business owner, we have to keep up with trends. We have to keep up with seasons. It's a lot. So yeah, you have people like me who create these type of videos to help you guys out. Okay, so for today's video, we are going to be talking about shipping and freight for Alibaba.com. Yes. We are going to get into the nitty and gritty and how you guys can cut cost, not in half, I was gonna say in half, but how you guys can save money on your shipping. These are just little tips and tricks that I've learned along my journey of buying thousands of products from Alibaba.com. So let's get right into the video. If you guys are not aware, here is how Alibaba shipping actually works. So Alibaba.com is actually not the people who are going to be taking care of the shipping for us. That's why they have freight forwarders. So freight forwarders are literally the people who take care of our shipping, whether it's shipping through ocean, sea, sky, and also ground transportation. Okay, so Alibaba actually has 3 different shipping options, and let's get into the options. So the first option for shipping they have is going to be the ocean, aka sea shipping, which is going to be for the United States, Canada, and also the United Kingdom. Okay, so the second shipping option by air is going to be AliExpress, and this is only available for us in the US except for the postal code of 266. Stop. So while I have your attention, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, guys. I make these videos for free, and all I ask that you guys subscribe. It supports my channel and it helps me to keep making these type of videos for entrepreneurs like myself and entrepreneurs like you. So guys, back into the video, but don't forget to subscribe. So the third option they're gonna have is regular air transportation, and they deliver to all of the countries except for these that I've listed on the side. So if you're a part of one of these countries, then you're gonna have to contact your supplier. Okay, so now let's get into the different shipping terms. So the first shipping term we have is going to be FOB, which means free on board. What this means is that us as the buyer, we would consume all of the shipping costs that it costs to get that product from China to us. So we would literally take care of everything. Everything is going to include transportation of products to the port, landing the goods, marine, and also freight transport. Insurance, this is going to include insurance, and this is also going to include unloading and getting the product straight to your house. As you guys can see, that is a lot of cost associated with shipping, so I would never go that route. This is why I don't use FOB. So the second option is going to be EXW, which is EX Works. That's what it stands for. And this is going to be where the seller will meet you halfway. So they would ship your products to a certain destination, and then after that you would take care of the rest of the cost. So of course EXW is going to be the cheaper alternative to the FOB. So that is Alibaba.com shipping explained in a little nutshell, but definitely what I recommend and what everyone else is probably going to recommend you if you're watching any other videos on Alibaba shipping is going to be that you ship with the shipper that is recommended to you when you are purchasing your product. But here is a quick tip. So when you're purchasing your products and you're getting ready to check out, what you can do is actually ask your supplier if they have any other shipping options. The first one they give you might not be the best option for you. The first one they give you might be too expensive. So always, before you are checking out and when you're getting a shipping quote, just ask them what are the other options so they can give you the opportunity to go through the shipping costs, all of them that they have, and you're able to choose which one fits your company. If you are looking to get a product fast, then you can choose from that list and choose whichever shipping has a faster estimated time of arrival. Also, keep in mind that these suppliers, they want long-term relationships. They want people who are going to keep continuing to give them money, continuing to give them business. So half of the time, if you ask them for a discount, they will give it to you. Even if it's not a discount in shipping, you can ask, oh, since I'm paying this much for shipping, would you be able to include 10 products for free or something for free? Or even if they're able to include free shipping if you're paying a decent amount of money for this order. Always talk it over with your supplier. I swear to you, they are pretty nice and they're always willing to work with people who are definitely going to give them repeat business. So always mention that to supplier that you are going to be a repeated customer, because again, they are looking for these long-term relationships. Okay, so now if there's nothing that the supplier can do and these prices, you still find them super expensive, super crazy, then Alibaba, AliExpress, why do I always mix them up? Ugh. So if you still find Alibaba.com shipping to be too expensive, then this platform is not for you. You can always go over to AliExpress. They literally have the same products. Most of the time, these sellers on Alibaba do have AliExpress stores, so you can always ask them. Don't be afraid to ask these people for questions or things that you need. What's the worst that they can say? No. Okay, so then you go on Alibaba and you find another seller. So head over to AliExpress.com, find these products, and you can purchase them from AliExpress. The thing I don't like about AliExpress is because the shipping takes forever. The shipping will literally take months to come. So if you're using AliExpress, then definitely order your products in advance so that you can have them in time and also have that super, like a huge discount because AliExpress is a lot cheaper shipping wise than Alibaba. Also have the alternative of using DHgate. DHgate is also a wholesaler and they do offer the same prices as Alibaba.com. So if you're interested in them, you can definitely check them out. I'll link them below if you guys are interested in DHgate. DHgate is literally where I go to buy like knockoff shoes or something like that because their prices are pretty decent and their shipping doesn't take long, and I feel like their shipping is pretty affordable. So yeah, that is Alibaba.com shipping in a nutshell. As you guys can see, I would definitely recommend not to go with the do-it-yourself shipping and freight. Always go with the shippers that they offer. Remember to ask for a list of different shipping prices and the estimated time of arrival. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope this video helped you guys in some kind of way. If you guys need any other AliExpress, Alibaba.com videos, I can definitely do them for you guys. Like I said, I'm purchasing from these companies every week because I have to keep up with the demand for my company, and I also have to always add new products according to season. So let me know in the comments if you guys have any Alibaba or AliExpress videos that you need to see, and I will definitely make them for you guys. So guys, until next time, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day. Peace and much love. Bye, guys. Bom, 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 bom. Why is that song stuck in my head? Bang, bang, bang. Oh, because I did it with Skylar.